Good morning, Cole Chance here, and I'm just wanting to bring you a little bit of a morning flow to help wake up your body. It's a beautiful way to start your day. It sets the stage for some sweetness throughout the day. Really good to start to move the body and to focus on the breath. So let's do that. So let's start in child's pose. Child's pose is a pose of surrender, and that's a beautiful way to start. Like, just bring it, life. So let's go ahead and get in child's pose. So let's do knees together. I'm showing knees together. You can do knees apart as well. Maybe try both and see which one you like. But let's stretch the arms out front. So we're getting a little bit of a stretch underneath the armpits. Just start to feel the breath in your body. Feel where it moves, coming in the nose, filling up the chest, heart space, belly, pushing down into the thighs. Spread your fingers wide and lay them on the ground. Feel them rooted. Forearms supported. Knees, shins, tops of feet on the ground, all points of contact with the earth. And every exhale, release a little bit more. Inhale, breathe into the back of the heart. And exhale, breathe into the earth. Surrendering to what the day may bring, relinquishing control. Many times we have strict plans for the day, and life doesn't necessarily go by our plans. So the more that we're able to be supple, to be malleable, and go with life's ebbs and flows, the less restraint there will be. So just an intention of letting life happen today. Staying in the flow. One more inhale. Sigh it out. Come into tabletop position. And just start to move the body here. So no direction, no plans. No pattern, just kind of move back and forth. Feel some restrictions where there's some tightness. Kind of just feel in, so you're just exploring what's happening in the body today. Knowing that it's always a little bit different. Just moving around. Another inhale. Exhale, find stillness. Take the right arm, start to peel it up. So right arm comes up, right heart shines. Fingertips coming high. Exhale, thread all the way down. So bring the shoulder down to the floor. We'll just walk the left arm up. So we're not looking for a deep twist here. We're just getting a little twist. Pull the belly in. Breathe. Waking up the body. Let's reach the left arm up, gaze up towards the thumb, and then bring it down. Plant the left hand on the earth, push the ground away, and open back up towards the right. Let's take the right arm out in front as we bring the left leg out behind us. So just reaching. Exhale, bring it together. And then inhale, reach, stretch in both directions. Exhale together. Inhale, reach. And then exhale, plant the hands. Walk the hands out front for puppy pose. So puppy pose, we're keeping the hips over the knees. Walking the hands out in front of us. So you can bring the chest towards the floor, the chin on the floor. Or you can bring the forehead. Getting a big heart opening here. Maybe you bring your arms a little bit wider. See which one feels good. One more exhale, sink the chest. And start to walk the hands back to tabletop, and we'll switch sides. So left hand, left heart, open up. Exhale, thread. Bring the shoulder down. The right arm walks towards the top of the mat, maybe coming onto the fingertips. Notice that the hips come out to the right. We want to keep them square, so kind of bring them back, draw them back if they're traveling. Another inhale. Release. Inhale, right arm comes up towards the sky. Gaze up towards the thumb. And then exhale, plant the hand, push the ground away. Left arm, left heart open. And left arm towards the front as you bring the right leg out. Inhale here. Exhale together. Again, reach, reach, reach. Find space and bring it in. And again, in. Hands plant. Just take a couple cat-cows here. So moving. And let's start the movement with the tailbone. So moving the tail down, belly comes up, chin comes down, push the ground away. And then again, initiating with the tail starts to tip up. Coming all the way to pulling the chest through, gazing up. Twice more. Moving with breath. Notice where the weight is in the hand. See if you can spread it, not just into the wrists, but into the knuckles, all of the hand. And let's go back into child's pose for just a moment. Reach the arms out. And start to walk forward. We'll come into Sphinx pose. So down on the belly. 90-degree angle with the arm. So the elbow is right under the shoulders. Hands are spread wide, really gripping the floor. Toes are down. Pubic bone grounding. Start to lift the chest up, really strong and proud, and pull the elbows back towards the heels. Now ignite the belly. That'll help protect the low back. And pull the chest through. Inhale. Exhale. Once more. In. Reach to the crown of the head. And then exhale. Come all the way down. Bring the hands wide, elbows up onto the fingertips. Inhale, start to push the ground away. We'll bring the elbows back towards the hips and push the ground away. Funky cobra. So again, here, pull the belly in, knit the ribs. That'll help to protect the low back. And release. Take the right arm straight out to the side. The left hand tense up, keep the elbow up. Left foot comes up. We're going to push the ground away. Just touch the left foot down on the ground. Big opening in the shoulder. Just breathe into the sensation. This is really good, especially if you're a side sleeper. I'm a side sleeper, so we, spend a lot of our life curled up. So this opening in the other direction. One more in. Come back to the belly. Reach the left arm out, and we'll switch sides. So fingertips of the right hand start to push the ground away to touch the foot back behind. Breathing into the left shoulder, the sensation, tightness. Starting to unwind some of the constriction in the body that comes just through our sleeping positions. Getting some blood flow. One more. Inhale. Let it out as you roll back onto the belly. Plant the hands underneath the shoulders. Let's push up. We'll just take a quick downward dog. So let's get the hands wide. Tuck the toes. Start to lift the knees up. Send the hips back. We're not even gonna straighten all the way out. We just want to start to open the hamstrings a little bit. So heels down one at a time. Opening up the calves, hamstrings, pedaling out. Couple more. Good. Let's walk the feet all the way up to the hands. Inhale, halfway lift, find length from the tail to the crown. Pull the belly in, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, fold forward twice more like that. Wave the spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release down. Again, articulation. Inhale. And exhale. That feels nice. Let's do it once more. Inhale. And exhale. Let's go ahead and come down to the ground. Come into Baddha Konasana. So soles of the feet together. Knees are going wide. Let's bring the hands to the ankles. Roll the shoulders back. Maybe get a pop. Like I just got one. Nice. Sitting tall, sitting proud. Open in the heart, ready for the day. Breathing. See if you can grow a little bit out of the crown of the head, as if someone had a string attached, or maybe someone coming and pulling up on the ears just a little bit. Let's bring the elbows to the thighs. Bow the head. Let the neck hang heavy. Maybe feeling a stretch from the base of the neck down the sides of the spine. Shake. Yes. Shake no. Start to come back up. Cross the legs. We'll take a gentle twist to the right. Left hand on the knee. Right hand behind. Grow tall. And begin to rotate. Again, lengthen, find space. And twist. And once more. Inhale. And twist. Switching sides. Lengthen and rotate. Up and around. Once more with your breath. And coming around to center. Let's go ahead and close the eyes. Bring the hands face up on the knees. Maybe connect the thumb and the index finger, creating a mudra. Tap into the breath. Imagine you can take this breath with you throughout your day. So I invite you, as things happen, work, traffic, children, whatever is going on in your world today, to come back to this breath several times throughout. Maybe even set a reminder on your phone. It's amazing what a little push in the right direction can do to tap back into this place that you began the day with, this openness, this space. If you'd like to set an intention, this would be a beautiful place to do it. Bring the hands together. Thumb to the third eye. I hope you all have a beautiful, provoking, inspiring day. Namaste. Go forth and be well. Thank you all so much, and I will see you next time. Feel free to check out YOGATX.org, my website, coldchanceyoga.com. We have all kinds of things going on, so have a good day.